you say your mean time to repair when it was airflow, but now that you have Bolt, that your mean time to repair has maybe reduced by 50% or 70%, something like that, compared to when you had airflow.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I think, I don't know, 50, 70% ish. That's roughly the ballpark figure out there because, yeah, two ways. One is if things were stuck or trying to restart or reschedule stuff when we were on airflow and managing our own stuff, then it was difficult to do it all. So that is one thing. And the other thing is also mean time to repair stuff, like you're saying, if something's broken or fix something. Getting those notifications, act on them immediately, that's much
Mm,
faster. Whereas there, with the infrastructure, we had to also manage that, how things were deployed, how things were scheduled, might need a hard restart or whatever. So that was much, much longer back then. I don't know. Sometimes it even took hours, but like now it probably is like barely minutes, few minutes at most.